In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Fresha gift card in just 5 minutes. Gift cards are a fantastic way to enjoy the services offered on Fresha, whether it's a relaxing spa day you've been gifted or a hair appointment you've been looking forward to. Redeeming your gift card is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Fresha for Business. This may seem a bit counterintuitive if you're not a business owner yourself, but trust me, this is exactly where you need to be to start the redemption process. Once you're there, you'll encounter the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. After selecting to log in, you'll be directed to choose the option for Fresha for Professionals. Clicking this indicates that you're accessing the platform with a specific professional or business-related intention, even though in this case, you're here to redeem a gift card as a client. Next, you'll be prompted to continue with Google. The seamless integration with Google allows for a quicker login process, so clicking on Continue with Google will facilitate an easy access route into your Fresha account. Following that, you'll need to choose your Google account. If you're already logged into your Google account on your device, it might automatically suggest the most relevant one, or you might need to select from multiple accounts assuming you have more than one. Now, with the login process out of the way, it's time to head over to the calendar. This step is crucial as it navigates you closer to the point of redeeming your gift card. You'll find the calendar section is user-friendly and designed to help you find your scheduled appointments quickly. Once in the calendar, click on the appointment for which you wish to use your gift card. Your appointments are neatly organized here, making it easy to find the specific one you're looking for. After selecting the correct appointment, the next step is to click on Checkout. This moves you into the transaction phase, where your gift card comes into play. You're now in the final stages of redeeming your gift card, so stay tuned. Click on Continue to Payment after you've hit the checkout. This part is really getting down to the nitty-gritty of redeeming your gift card, as you're about to finalize how you'll cover the cost of the service you've booked. Now, here comes the part you've been waiting for. You need to click on Gift Card as your selected method of payment. This step is where you're specifying that the gift card you have is what you're using to pay for your appointment. Once you've selected the gift card option, you're prompted to type in the gift card code. This code is crucial because it's unique to your gift card and is what credits the value of the gift card towards your service. The final step is to click on Find. This action processes the gift card code you've entered and applies it to your transaction. It's the moment of truth where you'll see the value of your gift card deducted from the total cost of your appointment. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the Fresha platform to redeem your gift card and applied it to your appointment. It's a simple process once you know where to go and what buttons to click. Hopefully, this guide has made your journey painless and even more exciting as you look forward to enjoying your service. Remember, gift cards are not just fantastic gifts to receive, but also joyous experiences waiting to be unleashed. Enjoy your appointment, and here's to many more blissful experiences, courtesy of Fresha.